What does it take to nearly die from addiction, then rebuild your entire life from scratch? One of music's biggest stars did exactly that, and his story is a masterclass in psychology. Today we explore addiction, recovery, and reinvention through a documented, public journey. Let's be clear, this isn't a diagnosis, just what his story teaches us about the human mind. His childhood was marked by instability, poverty, and constant moving from place to place. Psychologists know early adversity can shape how we cope with stress for decades. When life feels chaotic, many people search for something to numb the pain. For him, that early pain later collided with sudden, overwhelming fame. Fame brings pressure, isolation, and expectations that can crush even the strongest person. To cope, he turned to prescription pills, a path that spiraled fast. Addiction isn't a moral failing, it's a hijacking of the brain's reward system. Substances flood the brain with dopamine, teaching it to crave more and more. Over time, the brain needs the drug just to feel normal. This is tolerance. He later admitted he was taking a staggering number of pills every single day. Then came the moment psychologists call rock bottom, a near-fatal overdose. Rock bottom is dangerous, but it can also become a powerful turning point. Research shows a genuine moment of clarity often precedes lasting change. Recovery, though, is rarely a straight line. He relapsed before staying sober. Relapse isn't failure, it's a common and understood part of the recovery process. He rebuilt his routine around structure, support, and healthier daily habits. Exercise, in particular, gave his brain a natural source of dopamine and control. Psychologists call this behavioral substitution, replacing harm with healthy reward. He also channeled his struggle into his art, turning pain into creative fuel. This is post-traumatic growth, finding new meaning and strength after suffering. His comeback shows resilience isn't being unbreakable, it's rebuilding after you break. He even publicly counts his years of sobriety, celebrating recovery as an ongoing choice. The lesson? Our worst chapters don't have to be our final ones. If this made you see resilience differently, subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time.